Another lovely gift idea, gift box for that person who loves honey. 6 tiny honey pots from around the world, mainly from Europe, but one of them is from Australia or New Zealand, I believe. So you've got acacia honey, one of them, 2 clear honey, 2 soft set honey, and 1 manuka honey, I believe. Yeah, that's the one from New Zealand. So let's go ahead and open this and show you what's it like. I think this is gonna be quite, oh wow, okay, any more? Is it gonna come out? Oh, it should come out. Yeah, there we are. Lovely vacuum. Did I show you the back? I did. Oh, they're so cute. Little honey jars. Glass. Metal sealed. Hilltop. Details. Shelf life for over 2 years. Well, almost 2 years. Open this up. Smell it. Oh, that smells so nice. Can't wait to try this. 28 grams per jar. Yes. So fantastic gift idea, guys. If you know someone who likes their honey or natural sweeteners, this would make a lovely gift. So maybe consider this. And it's from Hilltop Variety Pack. Lovely gift idea. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Catch you on another video real soon. Remember to subscribe and like.